Hello guys, in this video we're gonna talk about enable loans. Is it legit or just another scam? So right here, enable loans seems pretty new and they have a basic website. So when we go to actually here in Scam Advisor, they don't really say much right here, but there's one review. So that review is from one person alone and he looks really weird. And it looks like a fake profile to be honest too, because you can see there's like a video call up top right there. So probably just a fished picture. So this looks really fake, and right here it's really basic. There's nothing much to it. Very basic website. And they have an address, phone number. Maybe you would want to call the phone number first and verify information with them, email them, and then also ask where this is. And if you are actually near this, you would want to go to it headquarters because there you'll be able to actually talk to them face to face and you will get to know details. But when it comes to this online website, it looks really sus to me. And the one review that looks really weird too is very suspicious. They also have low traffic rather, so that means nobody really visits this site at all. Pretty much it just fishes very few people, I guess, and maybe this is just another scam. So for the verdict of enable loans, maybe it's just another scam, but we will have to verify that sooner or later again.